If you've ever forgotten a word mid-sentence, your brain is signaling something. Here's how to reverse it before it becomes permanent. Okay, so real talk. Your brain is cooked. Not like a little bit cooked, fully cooked. Extra crispy, no sauce. Just vibes and confusion and forgetting why you walked into a room for the 14th time this week. That is brain fog, and it is not normal, and it is not cute, and we need to talk about it right now. Welcome back to the channel where we fix problems your doctor forgot to mention. Today we are doing the brain fog protocol. 3 daily drills that will sharpen your focus before cognitive decline just casually shows up and steals your whole personality. No dramatics, just facts. Chaotic facts delivered at speed. Drill number 1. The dual end back warm-up. Sounds fake. Sounds like something a Sigma male invented in a podcast basement. It is not. Dual end back training is literally studied by neuroscientists, and it forces your working memory to work. Like actually work. Not scroll, not autofill. Work. You look at a sequence of positions and sounds, and you have to remember where they were n steps back. Your brain will hate it. That means it is working. Do this for 10 minutes every single morning before you touch your phone. Your dopamine is already low. Do not feed the algorithm before you feed your frontal lobe. This is law now. Drill number 2. Intentional cross-lateral movement. Okay, stay with me, because this sounds like something from a mid-90s gym class VHS tape, but it slaps neurologically. Cross-lateral movement means your left hand touches your right knee, and your right hand touches your left knee, and your brain has to coordinate both hemispheres simultaneously. When both hemispheres talk to each other, your focus goes up, your processing speed goes up, and your brain stops acting like a laptop with 47 tabs open, and one of them is playing music, but you cannot find which one. Do this for 5 minutes, slow and deliberate, then fast, then slow again. Your cerebellum will write you a thank you letter. Drill number 3, the focus window stack. This is the most underrated one. Most people try to focus for hours and wonder why they feel like a wet paper bag by 2 p.m. Here is the fix. You stack focused work into 25-minute windows with 5-minute active recovery breaks where you are not on your phone. You are looking out a window. You are breathing. You are staring at a wall like a philosophical icon. This is not laziness. This is neuroplasticity optimization. Your prefrontal cortex can only sustain deep focus for so long before it starts throwing tantrums. Give it the breaks it needs, and it will reward you with clarity that feels genuinely illegal. Now, here is where we get into the physical side of this whole equation, because all of these drills work better when your brain actually has the raw materials it needs to function. And this is where most people are silently failing without knowing it. If you are chronically foggy, tired, and unfocused, there is a very real chance your brain is inflamed and nutrient depleted and running on stress hormones and sadness. The product that I personally recommend, and that is linked in the description right now, is lion's mane mushroom capsules, specifically a high-quality dual-extract lion's mane supplement on Amazon. And before you say, that sounds like something a person who burns sage for a personality would use, let me explain. Lion's mane contains compounds called hericenones and erinacines that stimulate nerve growth factor production in the brain. This is not astrology. This is peer-reviewed research. Nerve growth factor means your neurons are literally growing and repairing. That is the opposite of cognitive decline. That is cognitive renaissance. That is your brain going from buffering to fiber optic in slow motion. You take it daily. It stacks beautifully with everything we just talked about. The dual end back hits different when your neurons are not crying. The cross-lateral movement connects faster when your myelin is actually doing its job. The focus windows become genuinely productive instead of just aggressively optimistic. Link is in the description. Do not sleep on it. Well, actually, do sleep. Sleep is also a neurofitness drill, and I forgot to mention it because we are moving fast today. Summary: dual end back every morning. Cross-lateral movement 5 minutes. Focus window stacks all day. Lion's mane in the description. Your brain is not broken. It is just underfed and overstimulated and living in the worst timeline. We can fix this. We are fixing this right now. Subscribe, because your future self who can actually remember things will be grateful. And honestly, so will your present self who just wants to think clearly for once in their life. We are so back. This material is for educational and strategic purposes only. It does not constitute financial or medical advice. Consult qualified professionals before altering your structural routines.